This is the Honda Moto Compacto, and it is the most fun, goofiest vehicle I've driven all year. You've got to give it a little push to get it going. There we go. Have you ever seen a compact scooter that folds like a book and fits under your arm? Meet Honda's Moto Compacto, a game changer in personal transportation. The best part? Honda sells this masterpiece of modern engineering at a very affordable price. Sleek, foldable, and fully electric, the Moto Compacto is perfect for city life, making everyday commuting easier and more efficient than ever before. So what is so special about the Moto Compacto, and why will it change the transportation industry forever? Stick around as we dive into the latest scooter innovation that promises to redefine modern transportation. The Honda Moto Compacto is a marvel of modern technology. If someone had told you about a foldable electric scooter a few years ago, you'd probably laugh it off as science fiction. Thanks to Honda's innovative team, this concept has become a reality. Surprisingly, this isn't Honda's first foray into foldable scooters. Back in the 1980s, they introduced the Moto Compo, a similar idea that was ahead of its time. Unfortunately, the technology to make it practical just wasn't there. Fast forward to today, and the Moto Compacto is here, armed with cutting-edge technology and ready for the fast-paced modern world. What sets the Moto Compacto apart is its unique futuristic design. It's sleek, lightweight, and folds down into a size comparable to a small suitcase. You can carry it with one hand or tuck it neatly under your desk. Imagine riding this to work, folding it up, and strolling into your office like it's no big deal. That's the kind of convenience Honda is delivering. The Moto Compacto was built for short, everyday trips, those distances where driving feels excessive and walking feels inconvenient. Think about your morning commute or that quick coffee run. With this scooter, you won't need to worry about parking, traffic, or gas. Just hop on, zip through the streets, and fold it up when you're done. Not only is it practical, but it's also environmentally friendly. The Moto Compacto is fully electric, meaning no noisy engines, no fumes, and no guilt about contributing to pollution. Honda has made it possible to move around efficiently without harming the planet. Riding the Moto Compacto is incredibly simple. Honda designed it to be as user-friendly as possible, catering to everyone from tech geeks to complete novices. All you need to do is press a button, twist the throttle, and off you go. Whether you're young or old, experienced or a beginner, you'll feel confident riding this scooter in no time. For city dwellers, the Moto Compacto is a game changer. It allows you to weave through crowded streets and navigate tight spaces with ease. No more waiting for public transport or getting stuck in traffic jams. It's like having your own personal escape route. Honda has nailed the minimalist aesthetic with the Moto Compacto. Unlike other scooters that try to dazzle with flashy extras, this one focuses on simplicity and functionality. It's not about being over the top. It's about doing what you need it to do and doing it well. For example, the built-in tin battery pack can be charged at home using a standard outlet. It takes about 3.5 hours for a full charge, and you're good to go. It's fast enough for urban commutes, but not so fast that it feels intimidating. The top speed is 15 miles per hour, with a range of 12 miles on a single charge. It's the perfect balance of speed, safety, and practicality. How does the Moto Compacto stack up against competitors? Let's take the Segway GT3 Pro as an example. While the Segway boasts impressive speed and acceleration, it's noisy and bulky, making it less ideal for urban areas. The Moto Compacto, on the other hand, is silent and ultra-portable. It folds neatly into a compact shape, making it easy to carry into tight spaces like offices, apartments, or public transport. When it comes to maintenance, the Moto Compacto is also a winner. Unlike its competitors, which often require regular upkeep, this scooter is designed to be low maintenance. It's a hassle-free solution for your daily commute. One of the biggest challenges in transportation is the last mile problem. Public transit can only take you so far, and walking the remaining distance can be inconvenient. The Moto Compacto bridges this gap perfectly. It's affordable, eco-friendly, and easy to use, making it the ideal solution for short distances. The cost of transportation can add up quickly: gas, maintenance, parking fees. It's expensive. The Moto Compacto, however, is budget-friendly. It's priced as low as $995, making it accessible to a wide range of people. Plus, charging it at home is far cheaper than filling up a gas tank. Honda designed the Moto Compacto to complement its upcoming series of electric vehicles, such as the Acura ZDX and the Honda Prologue. But it's not just for electric vehicle owners, it works just as well with traditional gas-powered cars. You can easily toss it into your trunk or carry it onto a train. Honda's Moto Compacto isn't just a scooter, it's a glimpse into the future of urban mobility. By encouraging the adoption of personal electric transport, Honda is tackling critical environmental challenges while improving the quality of life in cities. Cleaner air, less traffic, and more convenient commutes are just the beginning. The Moto Compacto also has room for customization. Honda plans to introduce accessories like removable storage compartments, smartphone holders, and custom skins for the frame. This level of personalization could make the scooter even more appealing to different demographics, from students to professionals. But Honda's innovation doesn't stop there. They're also making waves in the world of flying vehicles. Imagine a flying car that combines Honda's expertise in car manufacturing and jet building. Their designs are eco-friendly, safe, and built with hybrid power systems that use both electricity and gas. These futuristic vehicles feature sleek designs, spacious interiors, and advanced safety measures. Honda's vision extends beyond just improving urban mobility. They're aiming to create vehicles that could one day venture into outer space. The Moto Compacto and Honda's broader innovations represent a bold step toward a cleaner, more efficient future. Whether on the ground or in the air, Honda is proving that the future of transportation is here, and it's more exciting than we could have ever imagined. So, what do you think? Is the Moto Compacto the game changer the transportation industry needs? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting updates on the latest innovations.